If you're in the market for a reliable futures trading data feed, you might have come across Rithmic, but does it actually deliver on its promises? Today, we're diving into what this platform offers and whether it's worth your time. Rithmic is designed specifically for futures traders, offering a data feed that prioritizes speed and accuracy. One of the standout features is its ultra-low latency, which is crucial for high-frequency trading. The platform provides real-time market data, enabling traders to make quick decisions based on the latest information. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it relatively easy for both new and experienced traders to navigate. However, while the core functionality seems solid, I noticed that some aspects like advanced charting tools could feel a bit basic compared to competitors. The focus here is clearly on speed and execution rather than on extensive analytical features. Intended for active traders, Rithmic does cater to those who need quick access to market movements, but if you're someone who relies heavily on detailed technical analysis, you might find the platform lacking in that department. Now let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, Rithmic excels in speed and reliability, which are crucial for futures trading. The platform's ability to handle high volumes of data without lag is impressive, making it a solid choice for day traders. However, there are some concerns. Pricing can be a bit steep for individual traders, especially if you're just starting out. Additionally, the lack of comprehensive analytical tools may frustrate those who prefer a more in-depth trading experience. For beginners, the learning curve might feel a bit steep, given the focus on execution over education. So if you're someone looking for a more guided approach, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Rithmic is a great choice for serious futures traders who prioritize speed and efficiency. If you're just starting out or need more analytical features, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's worth considering if you fit the profile of an active trader looking for a reliable data feed.